not gonna. Why isn't it?
Happy day 21 and happy Easter. And all that good stuff. So I'm making my ginger lemon shot. No, I'm not making it. I'm pouring it.
Easter house.
You want one?
Yeah, I'll join you.
I don't think I had the first shot.
You're really pretty.
Thanks.
Dad, AJ wants me to put this over here.
Oh,
Dad, AJ
that cleanses your soul.
Dad,
Oh my.
Dad,
Yes.
AJ.
Thank you.
Oh.
That feels good for you.
It really does. It makes my ears tingle.
Yeah.
And for my super green, I really like these. Don't come for me. Gluten-free, non-GMO, gelatin-free, and vegan. Now it's time to make my shake, and of course I'm gonna do it in time lapse. It's the same shake that I make every day. If you want the recipe, if it goes too fast, just go back to the day one vlog because I explain my whole shake routine and everything in that vlog. And I don't want to bore everyone who's watching it every day, so that's why I do it in time lapse. So I'm gonna go make that now. Making him and the kids breakfast again. I'm gonna have my shake because I'm pretty sure we're gonna be eating for Easter at my mom's house. So here comes pooping. All right, I'm gonna make my shake. Okay, so I'm only going to have shake and a tea because my Prolessa is not here yet. I have no Prolessa. I have to wait till our box is here for some more Prolessa, but I'm gonna drink my shake and tea. Hopefully I'll get my box. And I'll see you guys later when it's time to eat again. Bye! It's Easter. Filipino Easter. So, wow. 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 What is this one?
The one that this is the meat.
That's tofu.
Yeah.
Oh, I want that one.
This one.
This
Oh.
one.
This one here. Oh,
Jeez.
on the bread. I think
Oh
it's
my
already done.
god.
I just cook it there.
It's my mom. She cooked for an army. Alright, so I'm eating this. This is Filipino. It's so good.
Your face is so cute.
Okay.
Food and
You
everything.
guys ready?
Yeah.
Ready for Easter egg hunt? Brooklyn and AJ. You guys ready? Yeah, smile. Take a picture.
Go, go, go! Aw.
Got one open.
Oh my goodness, AJ, you still have another one here. AJ's balling.
Like $12.
Dang, AJ!
For Jacob's graduation. My dip? Yeah? Come on.
This is my favorite dessert, and I'm going to eat some.
He gotta be 7 pounds before, but he'll be 7 pounds.
Birthday to you. Birthday to
She had it posted.
16.
She drinking out of it. What is it? Yes.
She was all crazy.
Was it?
Yeah.
That's the one.
Grandma.
Happy birthday.
In heaven or in everything. Oh, it's not mine yet, right?
Oh, white girl right here. Sorry. Token. Oh my God. Come on. Cheese. Cheese.
AJ, get out my chair.
Peaches, peaches, peaches.
Oh God. Hello, beautiful people. I showed you everything I ate over at my mother's house and my mother's house. And we just got home. It's after 9 o'clock, and I'm just gonna be honest with you. I am not having anything else for the rest of the night. I'm not having a shake. I'm not having a tea. I'm not having anything. Plus, my box didn't show up today, so that's kind of sad. So, I'm 100% hoping that the box will show up tomorrow. AJ just bumped his head. He's okay though. What was I saying? That's it for this vlog. I know I didn't stay on track whatsoever, but we were, just celebrating with the family. Had a little drink for my dad, hanging out with everybody. So, yeah, it's about balance. Ain't that what they say, babe? Yeah. It's about balance. And plus, at least I'm not like, well, blah, blah, blah is this weekend, so I'll start on Monday. And then the next weekend, something is coming up. So it's like, oh, well, blah, blah, blah's birthday, so I'll just start after that. Oh, Easter's coming up. I'll just start after that. Or what else is there? Like a family thing's coming up. I'll just start after that. No, you just start. And then when that day comes, you just don't do too bad, At least you start and not stop putting it off. Right, babe? That's right. Okay.
Keep going.
Yeah, so tomorrow it's going to be ugly weather, but hopefully everyone's going to feel good tomorrow, and we will go to the gym after we drop the kids off at school.
I want to go to kids club.
And Brooklyn says she doesn't want to go to kids club.
Yes.
AJ wants to go. AJ misses kids club a lot. But that's that for day 21. Done. And I will see you guys on the next video.